Hello. In this video I will solve the error, expo-app-loading is deprecated in favor of expo-splash-screen. The first step is to comment out the code lines containing expo-app-loading. Using the expo documentation, I will implement in the code the expo-splash-screen instead of expo-app-loading, which is deprecated. You will get the documentation link in the description. This app is built using Expo and it currently has an Expo SDK version 43, which is equivalent with API level 21. Starting with November 2022, Google Play requirements targets API level 30, 31, or above. This is the first video in a series on how to update your deprecated Google Play app. Using the Expo documentation, I've integrated the expo-splash-screen. The error, expo-app-loading is deprecated in favor of expo-splash-screen is solved, but new errors occurred. In the next video I will resolve the font error, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on social media for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.